Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So this time we will basically set up the project. We'll learn basically how to download Unity Hub, and in that we'll going to download Unity also. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. As you can see here in my screen, for downloading Unity Hub, we'll type just simply Unity Hub download. In the first link, you have to just click on it, and with this particular button, if you click on over here, you can see Unity Hub is getting downloaded. It will take some time. Okay, finally it got downloaded. For this project, we are going to use Unity 6. So to download Unity Hub, you need to just simply double click on this DMG file. It will ask for some permission. You have to just click on agree. Then just simply drag and drop to the application folder, because I have already downloaded it. So yeah, I don't need to replace it. I'll just simply stop it. But that's how you basically install the Unity Hub. And after this, you will see here this icon. This is basically Unity Hub. Here we going to, in this particular Unity, in the Unity Hub, we are going to basically download Unity. So for downloading Unity, you need to go another website called just simply type Unity archive and download. Click here. We're gonna use LTS version, long-term support. For this, we are going to use Unity 6.0.62, which got released 5th of November 25. We'll click on install button. You'll see it's asking for open Unity Hub. We want to open it on Unity Hub. Then just simply click on install button. We need Android support, yes. For iOS, we don't need actually. Actually, we also need iOS build support, and we can select documentation as well. Visual Studio Code. For this, we are basically going to use another ID, which is called Rider. So we are not using Visual Studio Code. Just simply click on continue. It will ask for acceptance. We'll accept it, then install. And as you can see here in installation, here only it's getting installed actually, right? So as you can see that our Unity got installed. In the next video, we'll create a Unity project, our first project. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.